Hello students, welcome all of you in awesome Pathak school. I am Ila Jajal. Today we will learn about adverb. In last lecture we learned about adjective. We are learning parts of speech, and today our parts of speech is adverb. So let's see what is adverb, types of adverb, and position of adverb in a sentence. Sometimes students make mistake in this area. One by one we learn about position. First of all, we learn what is adverb. Adverb gives information about verb, adjectives, other adverbs and whole sentence. Students, sometimes we say that adverbs gives only information about verb, but it is not true, students. Adverb give information about verb, adjectives, and sometimes gives information about other adverbs also and whole sentence. So which word gives information about verb, adjectives, other adverb and whole sentence? It is called adverb. Yes, let's see the example. He ate the cake quickly. Yes. Which one is adverb? Quickly. If you ask question, how did he eat the cake? You get the answer quickly. Quickly gives information about it. So it gives the information about verb. You can park your car here. Here is adverb. It gives information about place. I sometimes drink coffee in the morning. Here, sometimes is adverb and it is the frequency. Give the information about frequency. How often do you drink coffee in the morning? So it gives the information about frequency, how often. So hope you can understand what is adverb. Adverb is not only gives the information about verb, but it's also give information about adjectives, other adverb and whole sentence. Students, types of adverb. Manner of adverb: loudly. How you speak loudly, well. Degree of adverb: really, white, place, here, there, time, still, today, frequency, always, often, every day. These are the types of adverb. Repeat it: adverb of manner, adverb of degree, adverb of place, adverb of time, adverb of frequency. These are the main 5 types of adjective. Students, we have a sentence. It shows the information about verb, adjective, other adverb and whole sentence. In our first lecture, the overview about parts of speech. In this video, we write this sentence and some students didn't understand this sentence. So today you can understand this sentence. Yesterday morning we walked somewhat slowly in a very beautiful garden. See student, yesterday morning, it gives the information about whole sentence. So it's also, yesterday morning is a adverb. Now you can understand, it gives the information about whole sentence. We walked somewhat slowly. We walked slowly. Slowly gives the information about verb. So it's a adverb. And somewhat give information about slowly. So it gives the information about adverb. And then in a very beautiful garden. Beautiful is adjective and very gives information about beautiful, and beautiful is an adjective. So some gives information about adjective. I repeat students, yesterday morning it gives the information about whole sentence. Here we say that whole sentence gives the information about whole sentence. So yesterday morning is also adverb and gives about the information about verb. So slowly gives the information about verb. So slowly is an adverb and other adverbs. Slowly is adverb and somewhat gives the information. Slowly, somewhat slowly. So somewhat give information about slowly. So somewhat also adverb. And very give information about beautiful, and beautiful is an adjective. So very is adverb and gives the information about adjectives. In a sentence you get all the information. So adverb gives information about verb, adjectives, other adverbs and whole sentence. Hope now you can understand. Adverb is not give only information about verb but adjectives, other verb, other adverb and whole sentence. Very good. Now we are going to learn the position of adverb. Whenever you write a sentence, where you put adverb, the position of adverb. See the sentence, Maya looks angry extremely. Is it the sentence correct? Extremely. Find the type of adverb. First of all, extremely is the adverb. Yes, which adverb it is? Extremely. Extremely is the degree, adverb of degree. So it's a wrong sentence. Maya looks extremely angry. The right sentence is like this. Maya looks extremely angry. Our rules is like that. Adverb of degree comes before adjective. Whenever you use adjective of degree, at that time adjective of degree, adverb of degree comes before adjective. Before extremely comes before adjective angry. Okay, understand the first rule. Adverb of degree comes before an adjective. Second, I carefully placed the bag. He laughed loudly. Student, see, carefully is adverb and loudly is a adverb. What is the difference between these two sentences? Placed is verb, laughed is also a verb. Here we put adverb before verb and here we put adverb after verb. Can you notice this? Why? Yes, students, placed is a transitive verb and laughed is intransitive verb. If you don't know what is transitive and what is intransitive? Please visit our playlist and see the video about verb. What is transitive and what is intransitive? So our rule is adverb comes before transitive verb and after intransitive verb. Transitive verb need object while intransitive verb doesn't need an object. So our rule is like that, transitive adverb comes before transitive verb and adverb comes after intransitive verb. Adverb comes before transitive verb and after intransitive verb. Third, I never watch horror movie. What is adverb here? Never. She is sometime late for work. Sometime is a frequency. Adverb of frequency. You should always carry a first aid kit in your car. Here always is adverb of frequency. I go to school every day. Every day is also shows adverb of frequency. Students, frequency adverb usually go middle. Here you can say in a middle. Here you can see after to be. Whenever you use to be form, at that time frequency of adverb come after to be, and whenever you have a modal verb, at that time also put frequency of adverb after modal verb and to be. But whenever you have a particular frequency every day, it shows it's not often, so you can say every day, daily. Like this adverb you can put either in the at the end or first in the sentence. Every day I go to school or I go to school every day. Both are correct. But whenever you use never, sometime, always, the frequency adverb's position comes in the middle. Hope you can understand the position and types of adverb and what is adverb. Let's see the overview about adverb. Adverb gives information about verb, adjectives, other adverb and whole sentence. Types of adverb, manner of adverb, degree of adverb, place of adverb and time of adverb and frequency of adverb. The position of adverb is adverb of degree comes before adjective, adverb comes before transitive verb and after intransitive verb. Frequency adverbs usually go middle position. Hope you can understand what is adverb and its type. Thank you, students.